JB. Why, sure do. You want me to... Kind of, let them plug it in. Let me know what, well, you got a few minutes, so I gotta check something out. I'll let the van play it for all my So, between JB Stone for 1-1, low side, this muddy water slapper. I love it. I'm on the low side, this muddy water slapper while you going at the door. Bye, bye, bye.
Oh, 411. Hey, 411, you got any condition around Chicago? 28 Little Mobile, Chicago, looking bang, bang, bang.
Tanner? Good evening, Tanner. Okay. You the boss of Mississippi, now you the boss of Illinois. You the boss of Mississippi, now you the boss of Illinois. JB Stone for 1-1 and 10-7.
Hey, 411, could you say 28? Hello, 411, 28. Hello, 411, 28. 28. 28 Mobile, Chicago, looking bang, bang, bang.
You got territories. You just like the governor. You got territories. Put on your later, JB. You been the boat. Keep the good work. The good work. When they gone.
I guess all 28 ain't got no condition out of Chicago. No contact, no condition around DX land. They call me number 28 in Mobile. Ain't got no base station. 28, 28, 28 Mobile, Chicago on the mail. Hey Rico, I heard you, man. I got 30 dBs of hash and trash. Sound like a train wreck. Hey Rico in Virginia, I did hear you that time around, but it sure sound like a train wreck in Chicago. Hello Rico in Virginia, 28 Mobile waving, bang, bang, bang.
Alright, lay on 28. 28, keep it good work up, trying to do it the way you do. You did some other niggas, 28.
Rico in Virginia, but I heard you, man. I appreciate it, Rico. I appreciate you squeezing that trigger. Let me know I got a little bit of Mother Nature. Hey, Rico, enjoy what's left of this beautiful Sunday afternoon, and I appreciate you squeezing that trigger and waving howdy doody. They call me 28 in the Mobile, not Chicago. A daddy day wave, and I'm gone. Put it on you later, Rico. Hey, Rico, it's rough and tough around Chicago, man. Got 30 dBs of noise. I'll put it on you later. With your good sounding self, Rico, Virginia, 28 waving and gone.
I gotta fix something over here in the little room, man. I gotta clean. I gotta fix something, man. I gotta jump in and give you a little.
I heard somebody calling 28, man, but it's rough and tough. I can't make it out, man. I'm gonna sit back and read the mail. I got 30 dBs of hash and trash. Sounds like one big train wreck around Chicago. I'm gonna sit back and read this mail, see what in the world's going on. 28 Mobile, Chicago in the mail.
Keeping on 28 Mobile. Hey, 28 Rico in Virginia reading the mail.
Got it all that time, Rico. You said it sounded like a base station. I got this mobile smack dab in the middle of the road. Take it easy, Rico in Virginia. I'm working this mobile Chicago, and I'm gone. Hey, Super Truck, I don't know how you did it, man. I don't know how you did it that time around, Super Truck. I got 30 dBs of noise in my receive. But I did hear you in the Super Truck. Can you hear me? Bang, bang, bang.
You got 30 dBs, so do I. I got 30 dBs, everybody in my radio. 28, 28, Super Truck, big four, big trees, big.
I don't know how you did it, Super Truck. You rose to the top of the occasion. Hey, Super Truck, while you working at that Ford, you rose to the top of the occasion. Good Lord and a quarter. Good job, Super Truck. Can you hear me? Bang, bang, bang.
Truck the man in the corner.
Got a little bit rough that time, Super Truck. Hey, Super Truck, it got a little bit rough that time around, no two ways about it, but you sure made it through the hash and trash. And I got the video gate running, and the video gate don't lie. Put it on you later, Super Truck. While you're smoking, I ain't joking. 28 gone now.
You're a black man, breaker.
28, 434 in Jersey, turning up the radio. Hey, 28 in Mobile, can I ease up in that Mobile? Evening 28, 434 looking, brother.
Yeah, my.
Right there, right now, 434. Hey, 434, I hope I can make it back. I know there's some heavy hitters out there tonight. Hello, 434 in the garden, if you can hear me. 28, wave, bang, bang, bang.
Hey, 2 on land. Hey, 2 on land. 28. Hey, 455, I'm back, 455. 455. Talking one for the road, man. Hey, 455, there's key me. Hey.
Hey, 434, it got rough that time around. I hope I can get it back. Hey, 434, it got real rough and tough that time around, but I did hear you and I want to say howdy doody. 434 in the garden. 28 Mobile, Chicago, waved and gone.
I'm gonna send them boys to walk your doors. Hey, 455, I'm letting my boys walk your door. 455, wait. Come on,
434 New Jersey, looking out west, is reading this mill.
He don't run, he serves key on that getting beginning, John Henry.
Bye. Bye, 434. Happy day coming up. 28 waved and gone.
Key, John Henry, he don't run. You doing a lot of things about it. Shoot Carolina back.